Hello everyone, today we are going to build an image marquee on our WordPress website using this Divi Marquee plugin. Make sure you have the Divi Marquee plugin installed. Go to the page where you want to set up the marquee and click on Image Marquee. After clicking on the image marquee, make sure you add new image items. I'm going to add image items now one by one. Second image I'm going to add is this one, upload image. I'm going to add another image. And the last one, the fourth one, I'm adding another image from the gallery. Alright, so our image marquee is now complete. We are going to click on Save Changes. And we are going to visit the main page where we set up the image marquee. As you can see, the image marquee has been set up. We also have other modules in this Divi Marquee plugin where we can use text marquee, testimonial marquee, video marquee, as well as blurb marquee. This one is the image marquee. Thank you. Have a good day.